In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images in Canva. Layering is what lets you control which image sits in front and which one sits behind, so your design doesn't look messy or accidental. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move images forward and backward to create clean, professional layouts. First, make sure you're in your Canva design with at least two elements on the page. These can be photos, graphics, shapes, or even text boxes. The key idea is that layering only matters when objects overlap. If your images are far apart, you won't notice any difference, so try placing one image partly on top of another before you begin. Now, click on the image you want to adjust. You should see a border appear around it, showing that it's selected. With that image selected, we're going to open the layering options. On most devices, the easiest way to do this is by right-clicking directly on the image. If you're using a trackpad, that might mean tapping with two fingers. If you're on a Mac with a single button mouse, hold the control key while you click. The important thing is to bring up that context menu on the image itself. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Layer. This is where Canva groups the tools that control the order of your elements. Go ahead and click on Layer. If you don't see it right away, make sure you actually right-clicked on the image and not on an empty part of the canvas. Inside the Layer menu, you'll see several commands. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on Send Backward. Click on Send Backward to move the selected image one step behind the element that's directly in front of it. Think of it like sliding a photo just under the edge of another photo in a scrapbook. You can click Send Backward multiple times if you need the image to go further back behind several layers. Each click moves it one position deeper. If you go too far, you can always use the undo shortcut or choose the opposite options like bring forward or bring to front from the same area. Take a moment to experiment. Move one image behind another, then bring it back in front. Watching how each click changes your layout will help you understand exactly how layering affects your design. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to stack images, text, and graphics in a way that looks intentional and visually balanced.